In an age where the internet provides abundant opportunities, one often overlooked avenue is online survey sites. These platforms offer an intriguing, albeit unconventional, method to supplement your income. Not all survey sites are created equal. Some remain hidden gems, waiting to be discovered and utilized to their full potential. Today, we will unlock these treasures and explore how you can earn more than you might expect. Firstly, consider starting with lesser-known platforms such as Pinecone Research and Prolific. Unlike their more prominent counterparts, these sites often boast higher pay rates and fewer users, which translates into more survey opportunities for you. Pinecone Research, for instance, pays a flat rate per survey and frequently offers product testing phases, allowing you to experience new products firsthand. This not only compensates well, but adds an element of excitement to the process. Prolific, on the other hand, specializes in academic and scientific research studies. The questions are often more engaging, and the pay is typically better than standard offerings. Furthermore, Prolific ensures fairness by showing the estimated time each survey will take, allowing you to make informed decisions about your time investment. Additionally, keeping an eye out for periodic bonuses on sites like Vindale Research can also be lucrative. This platform often runs promotions, where users are rewarded extra cash for completing a set number of surveys within a specified period. These bonuses can significantly boost your earnings. However, it's crucial to approach these opportunities wisely. To maximize your returns, create a strategy. Prioritize surveys that pay more and fit your demographic profile. Being organized and disciplined in your approach is key to optimizing your potential earnings. In conclusion, by strategically engaging with hidden gem survey sites, you can unlock a steady stream of additional income. Although they might not replace your primary job, these platforms can certainly add value to your regular earnings, offering both financial benefits and a glimpse into cutting-edge market research. Explore, be consistent, and discover the hidden rewards these survey sites have to offer. Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you are in need to generate income today, go to www.kill9to5.com.